You're welcome to Flip News. I am Matilda Omenai. Deep split among Tories as half of members want Badenoch replaced before next election. Exclusive polling reveals a party at war with itself, with 50% of members believing the new leader should not lead them into the 2029 general election. In a stark warning to Kemi Badenoch, a new poll has exposed a deep rift within the Conservative Party, showing that half of its members do not want her to lead them into the next general election. The YouGov survey of 652 Conservative members conducted during what should be her victorious press conference as leader reveals a party already gripped by internal doubt. While a majority of 70% view her favorable, a significant minority of 29% hold an unfavorable opinion. This division is sharper when assessing her performance. Although 61% believe she is doing a good job as a party leader, 37% think she is doing a bad job, a substantial block of discontent for a new leader. The most damaging finding centers on the future. When asked if Badenoch should be the party's prime ministerial candidate in 2029, members are almost evenly split. 50% say she should not versus 46% who believe she should. Now let's take a look at a video from Sky News.
An exclusive YouGov polling for Sky News shows half of all Conservative members think Kemi Badenoch should not lead the party into the next election. The poll found just 46% think that the current Tory leader should stay in place when the country next goes to vote, while 50% say.
This data comes amid reports of open discussion at the party conference about replacing Badenoch soon as the party rules allow a challenge, suggesting her leadership is on shaky ground from the outset. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us. I am Matilda Omenai.